Hey guys, welcome back to ROBOSTOUT. My name is Darren, and I know it's been a while, but between fires and pandemics and some traveling, I'm back. So first and foremost, I'm going to start with something real simple today. We're going to talk a little bit about a review on a battery pack here, and this one here is a rechargeable one that's solar power, or you can plug it into the wall and obviously juice it up that way. Now, I wanted to originally do a review on this here in Oregon when going camping, but it didn't work out, and then we had fires and riots and all kinds of stuff here. Yeah, as you know, in Portland, gotta love it. So, but I did get ventured out to Arizona to see my brother, and with the family there, we went out on a little camping journey. And if you know Arizona, they got lots of sun there. So we were able to test this out. And after this little intro here, we'll talk a little bit more about how it went. Okay, so real quick here on this device, real simple. I got it on Amazon. It was under 25 bucks. I will have the link down below so you can check it out. I'm not affiliated to them, so if you buy it, you buy it. If you don't, you don't. Barely can even say the name of the actual company. YOESOID is what I think it says. But I do want to tell you that I did enjoy this product, and I was actually pretty surprised at all the features and things I can do with it. Now, it just comes in a pretty basic box here. You get your power bank box here, which I'm going to throw over there. Obviously, power bank. Little connector here so you can connect to the backpacks or anything you want, and then you get a micro USB for charging it. Now, it is a 2 amp charge to it, so pretty easy to use. Now, a couple of features I did like, what I was looking for, number one, outside of being solar power, it does have 2 USB ports at the top there, so you can do dual charging on there. And I thought it was kind of a neat little piece to it, and I know it might be a little bit hard to see, but on the back here, you actually have a little compass. I know people don't tend to use those as much these days, but if you're out camping, kind of comes in handy. Just make sure you have it on there. Now, this is a 20,000 milliamp charge back. So basically what this means is this will charge up your iPhones and different tablets and things pretty quickly. Now, that also means it'll drain this pretty quickly as well. So make sure that you're looking at this as something that solar power is going to be great. You're going to put this in the sun all day long, right? To get a decent charge by the end of the day. So this isn't like having a huge giant cell piece to it, but it does come in handy. Like I said, I was out in Arizona, you got plenty of sun out there, heat, and this was charging all day long. So by the time that it got a little bit dark when we were out and about, it was able to at least give me a little extra charge to my phone. And we were in the middle of nowhere and not too much cell phone service anyway, so we weren't playing with the phones too much, but it was a good backup. Now, a really cool feature of this, it actually has 2 LED lights at the top here. So if you press the button here like so, you can actually hold down, and now I got this, and you can put them in different types of sequences. So if you want like a flashing, so maybe you broke down on the side of the road, you put it there. This has got the SOS flashing to it, and then you got like, hey, strobe light, gonna have a party in the middle of the forest type of thing. So pretty cool. I do highly suggest this. Now, I want to remind you here that I took this on my vacation. I have yet, since I left, to actually plug it into the wall and charge it. So I've solely been in on solar panel for this, and I still have 2 blue bars left for charge. I don't know how long that is technically in time for charging a standard iPhone, maybe iPhone XX Max like I have, but the fact that it lasted. Now, a big thing I want to make sure I point out to this is it is water resistant, not technically waterproof. It does have an IP rating of 65, so it can go in the water there. You know, looking at this, I don't know with this doesn't seem like the most watertight piece. So definitely be careful if you do drop this in the water. I did have this with me when we were on the lake area there, and it did get a little water on it. It's obviously fine, but if you drop this, let it dry out pretty good. It is a power bank. Just remember you are playing with electricity at that point. A couple different things, and I'll show a video right here. I mean, this thing's still dirty and dusty. I've dropped this way too many times. I realize that $25 doesn't seem like a lot to some people. To me, hey, right now it's pandemic season, and so $25 means a lot, and I kept accidentally dropping it. So I'm like, all right, well, let's do another pretty good drop in a slow-mo. And as you see here, it hits, it's pretty good. It takes a beating and keeps on going. So if you're looking in the market to grab a device like this, I highly recommend it. Again, the link's down below. Check it out, under 25 bucks. And you might find they have different colors. I chose the blue because I like blue and stuff, but they have orange and yellow and red, all kinds of different colors. But if you are out there and you're a venture seeker and there's some sun and you just need a little extra power, this definitely came in handy. Check it out. And like always, my friends, thank you for stopping by, checking us out. Hey, check out some of the videos I have going on here. Maybe you might like them, and always stay tuned because I'll have some more videos coming up for you guys. I will see you guys on the flip side. Peace.